What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I got my headers back from getting a ceramic coated. Chose to do this over wrapping because I guess there's some way more cons to the wrap than getting ceramic coated. I think like supposedly with the wrap, like oil can get it trapped in it and then your car catch on fire or something. I don't know, but I do like the way the wrap looks. But I mean, obviously this is, in my opinion, safer. I don't know which one lasts longer, but you know, this is all new to me. This is the first time I've ever done headers or anything like that. So I got some new gaskets, and I already have an up pipe, aftermarket up pipe. It's Cobb up pipe. And I didn't use one of these. I don't even know why I got one of these. I think I just wanted to see if it makes it easier to take off. But anyways, yeah, so these are Gruppe-S something. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. These are like old school headers, like from the Blob-Eye days, like 2004 STIs and stuff. Supposedly these are really good. I got a really good deal, like I said in the previous video. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do some comparisons on the stock unequal length versus the aftermarket unequal length. Yeah, I'm gonna do some sound clips and then a side-by-side comparison. You know, the whole shebang, and see if these make a difference. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I already took the header out. I was gonna film it, but it's pretty easy to do. And there's a bunch of videos on it already, so I was like, I'm not about to waste my time making like a 20-minute video. So here's the headers, a little side-by-side comparison. It's the OEM one, obviously, and then the aftermarket Gruppe-S. I don't even know how to say it, man, but they look pretty solid, man. These are like 10 years old, I think, these headers, and they're pretty good shape. The flanges look pretty solid. Let me flip these over for you. All right, so I grabbed a little towel to keep basically I did want to find out how durable this coating is, so I threw a little towel on there. But yeah, this is the headers. Little comparison. I don't know, they seem pretty similar. Dude, I have no idea, man. What is, I think the biggest difference I see is the where the pipes couple up. This one's actually, I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's smaller than this one. This one is a lot bigger. And it should work perfect with my my up pipe. So my up pipe is bigger than the OEM one. So smaller. I guess you can kind of see. You can tell this one's a lot bigger. But the runners are about the same. So I think I should still. I think I should feel a difference for sure. That's good. We'll see. I'm very skeptical of these headers, man. Supposedly you're supposed to feel gains even without a tune. So we'll see. These are heavier, these are lighter, so that should make a nice little difference too. Anywhere you can cut weight, I feel like is a good thing. So let me throw these on real quick. All right, y'all, I'm done with the install. This definitely took a little longer than expected, but it was just because of dumb stuff. The O2 sensor, and then trying to line up the headers. At first I was like, bro, like why aren't these going on the studs? You know, I guess super smooth, but I guess you kind of have to pry it a little bit. It wasn't like I didn't have to force it on. I got one side on and the other side didn't line up. I was like, what the heck? So then I backed it out and tried to put them on evenly, and it still wouldn't go on. So I just had to eventually just put, I think I did this side with the up pipe. I did that side first, and then I kind of pushed this over, and it went over like pretty easy. So not too bad, man. I'm gonna put my splash shield back on, and then I'm put on the ground, and I'll do a little start it. Welcome back. It's been like probably about maybe a week or two since I put the headers on. Just kind of late on the update, but I've been driving around a little bit and wanted to record on a couple of days, but it started raining, so I didn't get to do any of that. But for this part of the video, I just wanted to do a little outro and my thoughts and maybe a couple more sound clips. The only complaint is that I feel like the engine bay is a lot hotter now. The headers. But yeah, we'll see, man. I think I'm gonna end up tuning this thing again just to get some more power. Probably go E85. But yeah, it's a quick video. I'm in between two videos right now. I'm making one for the lower control arms. I gotta work on the rear because the rear keeps coming out camber wise. So yeah, I'm all over the place with the videos right now. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with how it sounds. It's a lot louder, but I kind of like it. At first it was a lot more raspy, but it sounds pretty mean, not gonna lie. So I'm happy. I might keep them on there and just end up doing another tune. So we'll see, you guys. That concludes this video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing. You guys been showing hella love.